time.
Okay.
I don't have no Alexa in my room. Yeah.
Okay, we're in Gorilla Tag. I think we've come to story time. Is that where we're at, Anna?
No, dude. Everybody hide. Everybody hide.
Oh my gosh.
Can you sit down, fellow He's making a song.
Ooh, that was a big bully, Anna.
He's stealing everyone. Everybody sit down. Come on, Mr. Dragon. Nice, guys. One of you guys are teachers, say no.
That would be Cookie telling the story.
Sit down. Once upon a time, there was a little monkey. This monkey was called...
You guys, it's FTVR. Today we're going to watch this guy telling a fairy scare.
As we are going to call as Fairy. She's also into Gorilla Attack. One day, she's a new player, and she came across the massive bug. This bug was no ordinary bug. At least it was a monster. So she ran for her life, running and running and running, until next time she logged on, something amazing happened. She got the moderator stick.
Yay!
And she swore next time she saw that monster, she was going to ban the monster forever. And a few days later, this monster came by. The monster decided to attack, and so did the fairy. The fairy got rid of the monster. I hope you liked it.
And that's the end of the story time with Cookie.
I know, I'm not that good.
Thank you. Well, we're going to have story time with Cookie on the YouTube channel tonight.
No. Oh, wait, so that's gonna be cool. Wait a minute.
Where are we going, Anna?
Oh, what is her YouTube channel called?
Her name.
Momo what? Oh!
Yes.
It's gonna be cool. I might
Thank
as
you.
well watch my own video then. That's gonna be sick. Everyone, this, okay guys, this is gonna be our teacher for the day, okay? This is our teacher, Pink Lemonade, just let you guys know.
I'm not in my book bag. I got my book bag.
Pink Lemonade, what are we learning today? Wait. Oh, everybody follow me to get school uniform.
Hey, I have a school uniform on.
Okay, I guess
Okay,
we're...
the school uniform's this. School uniform's this.
Got my school uniform.
Or it can be this. Or dog.
Mama, need your
Yeah.
school uniform.
I have to?
Yeah, Mom. Yeah.
Oh, you don't buy it.
The
Okay.
only one you can have is this one. Because Anna has that one, I have the dog one, and you're just gonna have that. Everybody put your school uniform on.
Got my school uniform on.
Does everyone have their school uniform on?
Get your uniform on, children.
Okay, we got school
We have a
uniforms.
uniform on.
School uniforms.
Real uniform.
Lemming. Hey, Mama, do you ever wish you'd met Lemming?
Mm-hmm.
Why is there a dragon?
No questions asking. No question asking.
Anyway, that's flickering on and off. You might want to back away from the wall a little bit.
I'm gonna get off the stage, you bitch!
Yeah, just stand right there.
Get back. We're playing. I'm teaching. I'm the teacher, bitch! Get off the stage.
Oh, is that a bad word, Anna?
Pink lemonade. Pink lemonade.
I'm pretty sure.
I have a question.
We're in band class now.
Oh yeah, we're in music class. I have a question.
What?
Is this music class? So does that mean do it?
No. I tell you when you get stuff. I'm going to teach you.
I think I'm leaving this classroom. I'm not really liking that teacher.
He thinks he's I know. She's with support. That's cool. Okay. You think
Teacher.
Move.
Yeah.
Story time with Cookie. Cookie, say that's a wrap.
Abuser. Pink's not even having fun. He's not even.
Teacher.
Here you go. Teacher.